Welcome to this video on working with sets. You can download the exercise workbook to follow along in your own copy of Tableau. This content builds on the Creating Sets video and uses the same workbook. Sets can be edited, but to what degree is dependent on how they were created. If a set was created from marks, such as European Home Office, right-clicking on the set and selecting Edit Set will bring up the list of members, and the only option will be to remove individual members. Members cannot be added to this existing set, though a second set can be created from the desired new members, and the new and previous sets can be combined. If a set was created from a calculation, such as customers with A names, right-clicking and selecting Edit Set will bring up the same dialog that was originally used to create the set. This can be modified and saved. If the set was created by combining sets, right-clicking and selecting Edit Set will bring up the combination window. This can be modified and saved. Sets can be used like any other field, but they have an additional feature of in-out versus members. By default, when a set is brought into the view, say to color, the marks are colored for which fall within the set and which are not in the set. By contrast, if we change the set to detail by clicking on the color icon, then changing it to detail, and right-click on the pill and choose Show Members in Set, we're now only looking at the members in the set, and the filter shelf shows that we're filtering by that set. Sets can be thought of similarly to filter results. If there is a subset of the data that can be thought of as a useful set or a frequently used combination of filters, it may be worthwhile to create a formal set from those filter results, and then use the members of that set instead of constantly evaluating the filters. When a set is first created, like so, there's an option, Add to Filters shelf. This is the same behavior as using Show Members, and it's also the behavior for sets that are generated by filter actions. Alternatively, to create a set from a single filter, right-click on the Filter Shelf's pill and select Create Set. Like groups, sets can be added to hierarchies. We can drag European Home Office into the products hierarchy. Now when we drill on the bar chart, we see the only place that has in bars is in Europe, and the small bar is home office sales. For more information on hierarchies, check out the video in this section. Unlike groups, sets can also be used in calculations. Here, we have a set based on customer names that start with A. If we wanted to know the profit for those customers, all it takes is a simple calculation. Right-click on the set and say, Create Calculated Field. We'll name this A Name Profits, and the formula will be a simple if statement. If customers with A names, then profit. End. This will check to see if a customer is in the set, and if they are, it will return the profits for their orders. This is a very basic example, but the fact that sets can be used in a calculation like any other field gives a lot of power to the analysis. Thank you for watching this video on working with sets. We invite you to continue with the on-demand training videos to learn more about using Tableau.